This video is just to show you where to access the MLA citations on the database articles. So right now I'm inside biography and context, looking at Ho Chi Minh here. So say that I wanted to use some information from this news report right here. Blah, blah, blah. I'm going to use this quote here. And so then if I put that in my paper, I'm going to need to cite that. So all you have to do is click all of the articles and facts on here have this box. Just click Citation Tools. It's already in MLA 8. You just copy and paste it. And that's it. That's all you do. And then in text, you would do Cooner. And that would be, because there's not a page number necessarily, because this is a weird database, but you just do Cooner as your citation in the parentheses. Another example of that, we're going to go back to Ho Chi Minh. Maybe you wanted to do something from this article too. Same thing. Just go to Citation Tools and copy and paste that. And then you put Giap Vo Nigan or Giap Nigan and Halberstam would be your in the parentheses. If you're doing it from EBSCO, and I say I wanted to, this is all they have on the EBSCO about Ho Chi Minh. So if you're going to use, you could use either one of these. This one is a higher reading level than this one. This is a Lexile of 960 and this one's 1380. So I'd probably start here, just me, because, you know, why hurt my brain more than I need to. But you can read the article, take whatever you need from there as long as you're citing it. And the citation tool is right here, I believe, right? No, maybe. But it says there should be a place. Export, cite this article. And then you can just go to where it says MLA and then you copy that and then you would paste that. And in text citation would be Forster. So easy as pie.